Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Chromebook. Plug in the charger and make sure the battery is above 20% so updates won't interrupt. Once done, back up any critical files to Google Drive or a USB because system updates rarely fail but you want safety. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates require uninterrupted download. Open Settings now because the next step checks for updates immediately and begins the download if one is available. You'll see Chrome OS check for updates and start downloading automatically when available. Let the download finish without closing the lid. Staying powered prevents corruption. Once the installer prompts, choose Install and the system will apply files. This can take several minutes because the OS replaces core components to patch security and add features. While it installs, avoid heavy tasks and keep Wi-Fi stable. After installation completes, you'll be prompted to restart to finalize the update process. After installation, restart immediately so the system finishes configuration and applies new binaries. Once you log back in, check Settings right arrow about Chrome OS to verify the updated version, and then open key apps to confirm everything runs normally. If the update fails or the Chromebook won't boot, try a normal restart first. If problems persist, perform a power wash to reset user data, or use Chromebook recovery utility on another computer to create
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.